Oh, I'm gonna miss it.
You can see it used to sleep two bodies perfectly.
Sorry about the shoes.
We're about to throw the whole thing in the garbage. And lots of memes. Over there is where I spilled my candle all over the back of it.
Lots of good makeouts.
Oh,
I can't
Did you have
relate to that.
makeouts?
oh, I'm feeling scenty. There's no other word for these pillows besides like saggy.
Yeah. Do you want a spot or do you want to carry?
I don't want to do either.
Oh.
1, 2.
Wait, I'm sorry, I couldn't get under it.
How are you supposed to hold it?
This
I
is
should
too
have gone
bad.
to the gym this morning. How are you doing that?
Very carefully.
Jeez, she's thick.
She's thick.
Come to mama!
Okay.
Where's the zooming?
I'm also
Oh,
pushing
got it.
towards the
Here, I got.
I don't have it, by the way.
You're good. I got it.
Okay. I like being the cameraman.
Right.
I really am not doing it.
Emma, maybe we should stop the recording and fully letting go. Celia and I can, or maybe not.
Guys, I'll help the next time. Don't worry.
Zoomer.
Staples on the other side.
You guys are doing really good.
Thank you.
You did too.
Go ahead and give her a feel.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, baby.
Slay. This is the one time we want to get it twisted.
Don't get it too
I got this right here
Okay.
on the back.
Wow, put your head back. This thing is amazing.
Jesus Christ.
She's gonna, ready?
Yep.
Don't you think that took longer than I think Celia thought, but it was easier than what I thought?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep